100 everyday verbs plus simple sentences. Eat, I eat rice every day. Drink, I drink water in the morning. Go, I go to school at 7 o'clock. Come, I come home at 5 o'clock. See, I see a bird in the sky. Look, I look at the board. Watch, I watch cartoons at night. Read, I read a book before bed. Write, I write my name on the paper. Open, I open the door slowly. Close, I close my book after reading. Wake, I wake up at 6 a.m. Sleep, I sleep at 9 p.m. Run, I run fast in the park. Walk, I walk to school every day. Jump, I jump high with my friends. Sit, I sit on the chair. Stand, I stand near the window. Play, I play soccer after school. Study, I study English at night. Learn, I learn new words every day. Teach, my teacher teaches us math. Help, I help my mom at home. Talk, I talk to my friend. Listen, I listen to my teacher. Say, I say hello to my class. Ask, I ask a question in class. Answer, I answer with a smile. Cook, I cook rice with my mom. Clean, I clean my room on Sunday. Wash, I wash my hands before lunch. Brush, I brush my teeth every morning. Comb, I comb my hair after shower. Draw, I draw a picture in art class. Paint, I paint with many colors. Make, I make a card for my dad. Build, I build a house with blocks. Fix, my dad fixes the table. Use, I use a pen to write. Take, I take a photo of the sky. Give, I give a gift to my friend. Get, I get a pencil from my bag. Put, I put my shoes in the box. Bring, I bring my lunch to school. Buy, I buy fruit from the store. Sell, they sell toys at the shop. Open, I open my book to page 3. Close, I close the window at night. Call, I call my grandma on Sunday. Meet, I meet my cousin at the park. Love, I love my family very much. Like, I like ice cream and cake. Hate, I hate waking up early. Need, I need help with my homework. Want, I want a red toy car. Live, I live in a small house. Work, my dad works at the bank. Laugh, I laugh when I'm happy. Cry, I cry when I fall. Smile, I smile when I see my dog. Shout, I shout during the game. Wait, I wait for the bus. Drive, my mom drives me to school. Ride, I ride my bike every day. Start, I start school at 7:30. Stop, I stop when the light is red. Change, I change my clothes after school. Open, I open the door for my friend. Watch, I watch TV with my sister. Feel, I feel happy today. Touch, I touch the soft blanket. Smell, I smell flowers in the garden. Taste, I taste the sweet cake. Hear, I hear a bird singing. Show, I show my drawing to the class. Sing, I sing a song at school. Dance, I dance at the party. Kick, I kick the ball hard. Throw, I throw the ball to my friend. Catch, I catch the ball with 2 hands. Climb, I climb the stairs slowly. Wash, I wash my face in the morning. Dry, I dry my hands with a towel. Wait, I wait for my turn. Watch, I watch the clouds move. Grow, I grow taller every year. Turn, I turn the page. Count, I count from 1 to 10. Spell, I spell my name slowly. Jump, I jump up and down. Fall, I fall on the grass. Win, we win the game. Lose, I lose my pencil. Travel, we travel to the beach. Stay, I stay at home on Sunday. Bake, I bake cookies with Mom. Plant, we plant a tree in the yard. Water, I water the flowers every day. Paint, I paint the wall blue. Hope, I hope for a sunny day.